Yeah, here it is now. So come down. So see. So this is where the layout is. So this is exactly same as we see in the main website. Okay, this has been the layout has been given like this here. Exactly the same way where we see in the website. Yeah. Now go to the top one. Go to the top. So the revolutionary slider we saw, the slider revolution, correct? So this is where we just made the changes. The slider we have changed. That is where it is showing that okay. Now on the top bar will be there. Then it is showing that revolutionary slider will be there, and then below that there are three boxes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So on the go to the main web page. Go to the main web page. Yeah, these three boxes come down. Yes, this one, program, certificate, and affordability. So these are the three boxes which is shown there. Go to the edit option there now. Okay, these three boxes you can see yellow, blue, and burgundy color, pink color. So now take the cursor on the icon box, click on the edit button. Yeah. Here you have to change the text. See, this is how it has to be, how you want that to be shown. So by default, that is looks good. So you can just be there. So here this quote of here it is written as programs. Slowly come down, slowly. Slowly come down, come down, come down. Yeah, here. Here the heading is there, right? Heading. Can you see heading?
Mm-hmm.
There it is written program. So on in our main web page it is program. So you just change something. This might for everything.
Yes.
Great.
I don't
So
have
here,
to think about funny text.
correct. So okay, great. So attorney will need changes here on acceptance that one. So here also we just change something. You can have two smileys here. So here everything is you can set the layout and program and then text align where you want, center, left, align whatever you want, you can change it.
Okay. And the
And
boxes here represent the layouts, the different ones.
yeah, present, yeah, how you want that to be shown on the layout.
Mm-hmm.
So as per this theme, this looks good, whatever is there default. So we can
Mm-hmm.
keep it there. So here you can have the layout, this icon position where you want the shape of the icon. Just go down. Slowly go down. Yeah, here description is there, style layout is there, center. I think we need to go little up, slowly. Slowly go on. Yeah, little more. Yeah, here the icon shape is circle. When you take the when you open our main website, yeah. So that is circle or none. So if you don't, if you say none, yeah,
Oh, it's
here
this
it says
one.
yeah, yeah. So that will not be shown.
Mm-hmm.
That circle will not be there. So the icon position also you can select where you want the top, left, right, center. Okay. That is font. So font is the icon type. So there, when you see the icon, so on the right hand side you have that icon, right? This is what it is shown in the circle, inside the circle. The right side that icon, yeah, this is this icon. So if you want to change that icon, you can change it. See on the you can just click font on the right hand side. You see, there.
And then you need to find the. Okay.
So you can put some word. Click on that. Put some word. Smiley. Yeah, your favorite smiley.
No, I cannot see it.
You don't see smiley? Yeah, it's not smiley.
I can see spider. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
And
So
then I
save changes. Yes. So like this, you can go to other things also. Second, third, also you can do it. You have to, if you want to see the changes, you have to first publish it on the right hand side. You need to go on the right hand side. You have publish. Update is there. So now you refresh it, you will see it. Spider will come up. Oh,
no spider.
No spider. It's gone. But smiley came. Your smiley has come. Your smile is there. Two smiles are there.
But no spider.
No spider. Let us see. Just edit again. I think this spider has gone to eat the prey.
Yes, it's gone.
We have to get it back. Let's see how to get that back. Okay, let's get back to edit. Font awesome. No, go back. Font awesome.
I don't understand why this font has not worked.
Go to icon shape as round. Below that. Yeah, edit. Not bad. Below green, edit. So instead of icon shape, none, you make it round. No, not there. Below icon shape. Just below that. Then below that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This is circle, and then now, save changes. Save changes.
Maybe this should be center. No.
Yeah.
Default.
Yeah. Default. Yeah. Save changes. Update. Refresh. Yeah. Still not spider. Where is the spider gone? Oh my God. Okay. So then you don't want to come in. Font awesome may not work here in this. In my system, I'm even not able to see this smiley. Let us change some other item instead of font awesome. Let us see whether is it a problem with the font awesome or something else. Instead of font
Maybe it's
awesome,
the font which does not work. Then the cat.
now the cat. The cat should come. No, that is also not correct. I think font awesome is not working. So let's change to some other. Actually, work. Is it the problem with the font? I can't change this some other thing. This. Yeah,
It's the font.
Yes, font awesome. Okay, so I think maybe this layout might not they are not used for font awesome. So the programming is not done for font awesome. No spiders, no cats. They want that. So, fine. So this is how you can change the. So if you want to change the background color, you can change it under the. So here, what it is showing is the whole of the block. So if you want to change the color of the block, you can just put on. Yeah, just edit that. You click on the edit button there. Yeah, go to design options, and here you change the background color. Give some good color. Okay. Publish it. Here the text may not be visible because of the background color.